Hi everyone, this is the Hotel Meninas in Madrid, kind of fairly central, close to the Opera metro station. This is a junior suite, obviously started with Charlie's bed, also part of the sofa. Doors open up onto a balcony out there. Our room was 2 single beds together, 2 more balconies there with a TV, which was really good, useful. Had full internet. Stations as well, so it had lots of international stations. There is a chair if you would like to sit. Bathroom, toilet, bidet, 2 wash stations, morning. Nice shower, bath combination. Plenty of storage as well. Let's just show you this. Safe in the room. Extra pillows, plenty of hangers. It's a free sewing kit and a shoehorn as well, which was nice. Pillows. Toothbrushes were free as well, and some other bits and bobs. That's the Hotel Meninas in Madrid, near the Opera metro station. Thanks for watching, guys.